So an easy way to start out with this, you might find you do a bent arm entry and jump up and then lower down and just coming down in that straddle style as slow as you can. You might find that you can't quite get that high, but wherever the height that you can get to, you want to work. Otherwise you might just press up and then you're trying to use as much of that 30 seconds to come down slowly. It's pretty heavy. Then you're going to use the wall. I've just got a pole here, and you're going to try and come down as slow as you can off the wall. So you'll kick up to a handstand. Give yourself a little bit of room so your butt can go back. Not too much, but not too little. Definitely want to try and shrug those shoulders up, but you're going to kind of get up there nice and light, pop your butt on, and then from there straddle down. And then from here what I'm going to try and do is I'll shrug up and I'm trying to get each of my vertebrae onto the pole. So I'm trying to get my sacrum on and then get right down through as slow as I can. So I work my way down the spine, looking up through the eyebrows, shrugging those shoulders up, and then really controlling that. The pancake eccentric, for me, I do it on 2 boxes and then have quite a decent amount of load coming down. So I'll get up there and then lower it down. But if you don't have the boxes, I like to keep it really simple for these programs. So you might go like that. From there, you could even have a band that you stand on, and then lowering yourself down into that nice and slow in the arms. So you go a bit deeper, you get those elbows down. You can pull yourself in as well with your arms to make it a bit heavier. And then because they're all compression movements, you can do the arch release. So you're tractioning and extending like that. And you can also move the wrists the opposite way while you're doing that to balance out the pressure from the press handstand. But ideally here you're not going to be planching much because of the wall, so you're really peeling your spine off as you're coming down. So you're popping it on, and as it's coming off, you're working your way down from the sacrum all the way in between there, in between your shoulder blades, all the way down. So it peels off the wall. It is quite hard as a drill, but it will really help you get that control for your press handstand. So enjoy it, 4 rounds of that. It's quite hard. Just make sure you really listen to your body, breathe throughout it, and just do the versions that are right for you on the day.